Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This lovely 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom 2-story house is located in Balmoral Heights, in Tower Isle, St. Mary. This property is perfectly designed with comfort in mind, to accommodate a large family, or can be used as an investment property, for short or long-term rental. The first floor consists of living room, dining room, kitchen, enclosed veranda, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The upper floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in the main area and a separate 1-bedroom apartment with its own laundry room, living, dining, kitchen, veranda and a private entryway. Easy access to schools, commercial activities and beaches 5 to 10 minutes away, and also 10 minutes from Ocho Rios Town Center. An hour and a half to Montego Bay and Kingston Airport. 5 minutes to the Ian Fleming International Airport. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, $83 million or US, $539.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.